Okay, everybody. One of our Pueblo Move to Amend members is going to be going around with a donation jar. It costs us a lot of money to make all these flags and print all the stuff, and we really hope that you'll take a moment to donate to our cause so we can do the next action. She's handing out information, and she's asking for a donation. And for those of you who donate, we had Vitamin Cottage donate grocery bags to us, and we're going to pass them on to you. So please take a moment, throw a few bucks in the jar, and thank you very much. No, Cheryl's handing out the Vitamin Cottage information.
It's New Mexico style, man.
Now I'd like to introduce
We don't have grass in there.
Kara Senna Hatton. She's going to speak to you on how these affect our environment.
Next time I see you, just wearing a loincloth or something.
Hello, everyone. I'm here today to tell you why GMOs are bad for the environment, if you didn't already know. Currently, 18% of our industrial farmed crops use 18% of our petroleum chemical byproducts. We are currently addicted to oil. We all know this. We use it every day. However, do you want it sprayed on your foods? Because genetically modified crops are produced so that they are resistant to being sprayed with petroleum products. It is a way that we reduce waste from the oil companies. These products are not for you to be consuming. If you want to go eat oil, go eat oil. Do not eat it off your plants. So please make sure that you do not purchase GMO crops. This is one of the ways that you vote with your dollars, and you need to stop spending your dollars on crops that are unhealthy and unsafe for the environment. Currently, 70% of our drinking water is used to grow industrial farmed crops. Do we want our drinking water used to do that? No! We do not want our water used to grow crops when it's not needed. These GMO crops are water hungry, and we do not live in a climate that can sustain this continued consumption. So thank you very much for your time, and have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for coming out.
Marching.